Some of Brisbane's least connected suburbs is being revolutionised by the rollout of 5G telecommunications. Some Logan suburbs are now getting internet speeds faster than the NBN at a fraction of the cost.
The speed of 5G mobile technology is mind-boggling.
6 to 10 gigabits per second. And that's pretty fast.
That's more than 100 times faster than most NBN plans, but the tech is fueling unfounded fears of mega radiation vigilante attacks.
Burning, 5G tower!
That 5G is even the cause of coronavirus.
The UK has reported around 50 fires targeting towers and other 5G equipment.
But a parliamentary inquiry has deemed the controversial technology safe.
5G or 4G, 3G for that matter, it's never been shown to actually cause any damage to humans.
Fueling a new boom in 5G rollout, Telstra announcing it would fast-track a $500 million expansion of its next-generation network.
We'll be able to expand into those suburbs a lot quicker than we'd planned to before.
5G coming soon to Rochedale, Springwood and Woodridge on the south side. But it isn't just Logan getting super fast internet. Networks are also starting to roll out 5G in more suburbs across Brisbane and Ipswich, all part of a plan to turbocharge an economy that's been smashed by coronavirus. Darra and Lowood in the west will also soon get 5G. Sherwood, Rockley, Taringa, Ashgrove and Bald Hills, Griffin, Narangba heading north, while on the Gold Coast 5G will also soon be in Nerang, Helensvale and Hope Island.
Anything that we can have to turbocharge our economy, lift our productivity coming out of COVID, is to be supported, and that's what 5G will enable.
The technology powering the future: autonomous cars, robotic surgery and drone networks, glitch-free streaming and more.
Online gaming on 5G is a lot quicker and a lot more responsive and therefore more exciting.
Shannon Marshall McCormack, 9 News.